Hello guys, welcome to RakiyaLK YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss with you about something interesting topic other than other videos of ours. So did you know that by 2030 almost 50% of today's jobs might no longer exist? I mean, sounds scary now. So in this video, we will explore 5 game-changing technologies that are reshaping industries and how you can stay ahead of the curve. So I invite you all to stay with us until the end of this video. So welcome back. Technology is advancing faster than ever, and while it creates exciting opportunities, it challenges the traditional jobs. So let's discuss about the 5 technologies that are reshaping the industries in the future. So I think let's start with AI, artificial intelligence. Actually, AI is a technology that's already everywhere. I mean, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa and to advanced models like ChatGPT, AI is developing and improving how we live and work. Let's discuss about what can AI do today. Discuss about the automation. AI handles repetitive tasks like data entry, customer queries, through chatbots and even medical diagnosis. And discuss about the creativity. AI can write blogs, generate art, and even compose music also. And moving on to the decision making, predictive analysis powered by AI is helping business forecast trends and make better decisions. And also, let's move on to the impacts to the jobs because of this AI models. Actually, AI is automating roles in industries like manufacturing, customer service, and even healthcare. However, it also created jobs in areas like AI development, machine learning, and ethical AI practices. So, if you want to stay ahead, start learning AI tools, programming languages like Python, or explore machine learning certification on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or other standard platforms. And also, I think it is important, while AI presents remarkable opportunities, and also it comes with significant challenges that need to be addressed, just like ethical concerns. While browsing here and there in social media, we can identify many problems due to these AI models and AI technologies. How do we use AI responsibly? AI systems can sometimes reflect or even amplify biases present in the data they are trained on. For example, AI-driven hiring tools have faced criticisms for gender or racial biases. Therefore, it is important to address these ethical concerns. And also job disruptions. AI is automating tasks across industries from manufacturing to customer services. So while this increased efficiency, it also means that certain roles are disappearing. Workers in these sectors are being forced to adapt by learning new skills or transition into completely different careers. So this transition is not easy and can lead to significant economic challenges. And also, regulations and control. I think this is also an important part, because many countries are struggling to regulate AI effectively to minimize the ethical concerns. So, without proper regulations, the risk of misuse or harm increases, creating a critical need for governments and organizations and experts to work together. So, let's move on to the second technology that I am going to discuss with you today. It is blockchain. So what is blockchain? Actually, it is a decentralized technology that ensures secure and transparent transactions. I think you might recognize it from cryptocurrencies like bitcoins, but actually, it is so much more. So, what are the applications of blockchain? Transforming finance with cryptocurrencies and um, revolutionizing supply chain management by improving traceability and enable secure digital identities and even voting systems. And what is the impact to the jobs? Blockchain is reshaping jobs in banking, logistics, and cybersecurity. It also opening up roles in blockchain development, smart contract programming, and we can say that decentralized app creations. And if you are interested in blockchain, you can prepare to tap into these opportunities, learn programming languages like Solidity, or explore blockchain platforms like Ethereum and Hyperledger. So let's move on to the another technology. It is Internet of Things. As we all know, IoT. The Internet of Things or IoT connects everyday devices to the internet, making them smarter and more efficient. Think of smart homes, wearable devices, and automated factories. So, what are the applications of IoT? Smart homes with connected devices like thermostats and security cameras, and smart cities optimizing traffic and reducing energy waste. And we know Industry 4.0 applications in manufacturing and logistics. Actually, in current situation, some of the countries and some industries are using Industry 5.0, not 4.0. Actually, it is developing to the Industry 5.0 in many countries. So, what is the impact? IoT is automating roles in manufacturing and logistics, but creating new careers in IoT development, cybersecurity, and system architectures. And if you are interested, you can prepare to this to break into IoT, learn about microcontrollers like Arduino, cloud computing, and network protocols, and many more things. You can browse internet and search many more things to learn about IoT, because these are currently using in advanced models. And next, biotechnology and healthcare innovations. Let's talk about this topic. From gene editing to personalized medicines, biotech is transforming healthcare and agriculture. So, moving on to the applications, gene editing with CRISPR to treat genetic disorders, and personalized medicine tailored to individual DNA, and innovation in agriculture to improve crop yields and sustainability. And if you are interested to enter this field, focus on bioinformatics and molecular biology or digital healthcare certifications. There are many online courses to get more information. So let's move on to our final technology, renewable energy technology. Actually, energy is the future of the world. Any one of us cannot live without using energy. Everything is about energy. So, why renewable energy matters? As the world shifts towards sustainability, renewable energy is taking center stage. Solar, wind, and other hydropowers are replacing traditional fossil fuels. Not only these kind of renewable energy sources, there are many sources around the world. There are many countries uses different kind of resources in different ways. So, um, moving on to the applications, installation and maintenance of solar panels, not only about solar panels, other renewable energy sources, and designing energy efficient buildings, developing smart grids for optimized energy distributions like that. And also, what are the impacts on jobs? While jobs in coal and oil industries may decline, renewable energy is creating demand for engineers, technicians, and sustainability consultants. So you should be aware about these energy technologies, because as I mentioned before, energy is the future. So if you're interested in this field, look for certification in renewable energy or enroll in environmental engineering programs. So we have covered five disruptive technologies: AI, blockchain, IoT, biotechnology, and renewable energy. Each of these is reshaping industry, creating new job opportunities, and challenges us to adapt. So, not only these technologies, there are many technologies in the world that affect to the future, that to the job roles. So, which of these technologies excites or concern you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and remember, staying informed and upskilling is the key to thriving in this changing landscape. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insight into the future of work. So, thanks for watching.